Contract amendments. Even after the tender has been awarded, and contract dates have been set, it is still possible to make contract amendments to any of the documents. Open the document that needs amending, select the heading, make the section changes, and approve it. After the section is approved, a link will appear to view the revision details. The heading name in the outline tree will also change from black to red, with an revision icon. This will also show for the vendor. Click the link to open the section history. Select any version of the section to view the history. Text highlighted red has been removed from the current version, and text highlighted green has been added. Go back to the tender overview page, and an alert icon will show next to the document that has been amended. The vendor now needs to accept the amended section. When the vendor logs into iSpec, all of the tenders with revisions are listed in the Outstanding Tasks section in the dashboard. Open the tender, expand the document list, and an alert icon will show next to the document with the revision. Open the document, and the heading will be highlighted red, and also have a revision icon. Click the Review Revision link to open the section history. Text highlighted red has been deleted, and text highlighted green has been added. If you are happy with the changes, click the I have read and accept the revision box. The heading name will change to black, for both the vendor and the internal user, to indicate it has been accepted, and the alert icon in the document list will disappear.